Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video right now. I want to show you guys a free way where you can get free traffic, drive free traffic, especially if you're as a beginner. Now, List Infinity, guys, List Infinity is an amazing program, and it's owned by a guy named Derek Van, yeah, Derek. And the reason why I'm making this quick video because I want to show you guys how to send the emails on WordProfit classified ads.com. All right. So if you want to learn more, then please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn those notification bells on, and it lets YouTube know that you are interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why you're watching this video because I'm going to show you guys how to copy and paste your email script and send it out to millions of people that you can get daily. All right. So without that being said, guys, let's just head over right now. So what you're gonna do, this is a way that you can come here. You can go to worldprofit.com and sign up, register for your account. I don't want to show you that right now. I'll show you that in the next time. But what you want to do, go to worldprofit.com and create your free account. I will leave the link in the description. All the links will be in the description down below. Now, if you want to get with List Infinity, guys, I recommend you guys to follow the step-by-step program because it's going to help you set up the system. Now, you can create your free account, okay? So let me take you over here to my Google Docs because I just created this myself. I create this, so I will leave this in the description down below as well. So if you want to get a part of this, you're more than welcome to get a part of this script. Okay, this is a script that I created myself. All right, so this is a done for you script that I just created already. It only took me about 10 minutes to do this. Okay, so basically, guys, what I want you to do when you follow this step by step, I want you to create your free account, and I want you to upgrade to any level that you can choose from. And then step 3, I want you to start promoting your done for you lead capture pages and drive free traffic, whether to Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, however, whatever traffic search that you can think of, Pinterest, however. Pinterest, you can get a lot of visitors, but sometimes Pinterest do be tripping a lot. So just try to be careful. Try to change it up a little bit, okay? Because you don't always want to keep posting the same thing. Because Pinterest will see that, and then they're gonna be thinking that, okay, this person is out their mind. They're not making any. You know, they're not making anything different. So that's why Pinterest shut down the people's accounts because they keep posting the same thing. Not supposed to do that. Got to change it up a little bit, okay? So I will show you that in the next video. All right. Step 4, what you're gonna do, you're gonna set up your payment processor to get paid from via PayPal or Stripe. List Infinity does pay out. They does pay out 100% commissions through PayPal or Stripe. So, however, it depends what country you're in. If you're in the United States, if you're out of the country, you cannot join this program because this program is not. It doesn't allow it in your country. Okay, you have to be living in the U.S. or Canada. All right. Those are the only places that you can join this program. Because if you're out in another country, somewhere out of the country, and the link doesn't work out there, then that means it doesn't work for you. All right? Because I had a person yesterday that emailed me, and they went through the same thing. I said, hey, look, I'm sorry to say this, but I don't think this is not for you because you're out of the country. And this is not going to work out for you because if you opt in my page and you can't click on the link, then that means that it's not clickable for you. So basically what I'm saying, the person was upset, and I said, hey, I'm sorry, but this is not for you because you're out of the country. Now if you was in the US or Canada, then this won't be a problem. But I seem like it could be a problem because you live out the U.S. outside of the U.S. So that means you're not in United States. You're out of the country. So that means it's not going to work wherever you are in the country. You could be in Spain, you could be in any country, but it's not going to work. Trust me. So that's the end of the line right there. So let me go back. So basically, guys, when you set up your system, you want to get it set up so you can always be prepared for that. Okay, this is very important, guys. All right, you can use this, take this script, and you can change it a little bit if you want. Okay, and then I'll remove my name off of here. So I'm gonna remove my name off of here so you guys can have the script. Okay, I want you guys to have the script so you guys can take it. Okay, all right. Before I do that, let me guys, give me one moment. Okay, give me one moment. Okay, all right, guys, so basically that's what I did. So yeah, so basically, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the script for free, and you automatically can upload it, and you can do whatever you want. You can put your link down here, but always have a call to action, and make sure when you have a call to action, like for example, if I come down here and put something like click here, oops, click here. If I put something like click here, to learn more. Alright, if I do something like that and you highlight it, all you gotta do is come over here, click the icon link, and then you're gonna place your link. Okay, so if you want to join this amazing program, guys, you can create your free account like I said, and then once you get used to it, then I want you to upgrade to any level that you can afford and choose from. Okay, they have like they have like the $25 to $50 to $75 and $100. Yeah, so they have the 25, they have the 50, and they have the 75, and they have the 100. So yeah, there's choose four different levels that you can choose from. Okay, if you can afford it, if you can afford 25, if you can afford $25, or if you can afford 50, 75, or $100. Now the main goal is, if you can afford $100, then that would be great because you're going to receive all different levels. Okay, so if you come at the highest level, which is the $100, that's the pro level, because you're going to receive all three levels once you a pro member. Okay, so that's what I meant to say. So guys, if you want, like I said, it's all up to you if you want to come from the low to the high. Okay, so if you want to work your way up from starting from low all the way to high, then hey, be my guest. But if you are somebody that wants to make $100 daily just by setting up the campaign and driving free traffic to your prospects, to your affiliate link, and drive free traffic to the prospects, then you'll start seeing results within the 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so this is why I'm making this video, because I want you guys to understand that this program does work, and it does touch my heart, and it touches everybody's heart as well. Okay, so if you want to learn more about that, then go ahead and click that link down below. All right, so the next thing we want to do, we're going to let me erase this. Okay, let me erase that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to come back to WorldProfit. Okay, we're going to copy this right here, copy. Okay, we're going to place it right here, paste it. All right, so now what we're going to do, what we need to do, guys, this is the next step. The next step, we need to place our description. Okay, so we're going to use the script. All right, we use the headline to cover the title. Okay, the subject title. So the subject title, what they would see, would you like to make $100 to $300 daily? Okay, that's going to be their question right there. Okay, that's the question that we asking them. If they would like to make $100 to $300 daily? Okay, not per day. Okay, so we want to say daily because you're going to get paid daily, depending how you drive traffic. Okay, if you have good traffic source that you know that is targeted traffic, and you know it's a tier 1 traffic country, then you can do that. Okay, So the next step we want to do, we want to copy all of this. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy all of this. Okay. We're gonna copy, and then we're gonna paste it in here. Okay. And that's what we're gonna do. Paste it in here. Okay. And then bam. And then we got it. All right. This is how we do it, guys. Now the next step, what we want to do, we want to place our URL. So we want to come back here. We want to say you get access to these 15 lead capture pages, guys. So you can select which one you want to promote. Okay, because this help you building your email list, and every time when somebody opt in, you can send out emails that let them know that, hey, this program, it'll do an email follow-up for them, because the system, they have training when you are promoting this promoting List Infinity. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to select which one I'm going to select. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. Okay, I'm going to select that one, and then we're going to paste that one. Now the very important thing what you want to do now, you want to pick a category that home business, make money online. So we're going to say home business, we're going to say business opportunities. Okay, make money now, or we're going to say business opportunity, and then we're going to say affiliate marketing. Okay, because this don't have nothing to do with MLM. And then yeah, that's about it, guys. And then we're going to say and lead generation. Okay, so this is going to be how you can post it. Okay, so you see how it looks, guys. Look how it looks. Look how the description looks. See how it looks, guys. This is how you do it. Okay, this is how you want to do it right here. Okay, so this is it right here, guys. So if I put this in bold, people will see. All right, there we go. All right, put this in bold as well, and definitely my name in bold, or bold. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. Actually, I can unbold it because we do not need that bold. Okay, all right, so that's how you do it, guys. So so the next step, what you want to do, you want to post the ad. Okay, and then once it's posted, and it's already sent, and then we're done. So that's how you run traffic. All right, so guys, if you want to learn more about that, about more free traffic, then I will leave my my Facebook down below as well, so that way you can get a part of this too. Okay, so if you want to email me or you want to Facebook me, I will leave all the description. I will leave all the information in the description down below. All right, guys. So congratulate you guys for joining this amazing opportunity, and I hope to get to see you. I hope I get to talk to you guys on Facebook, and see where you guys at and see how you're doing. So don't forget to join this amazing opportunity, because List Infinity is an amazing opportunity. It's an amazing program that allows you to generate 100% instant commissions on autopilot. Okay, you can get paid daily. Okay, so that's if you are willing to put 15 to 30 minutes a day of work. Okay, you don't have to work 8 hours a day or nothing like that. No, put 15 minutes a day, 15 to 30 minutes a day, that's spare time. Then you're going to start seeing results within the 24 to 48 hours. All right. So without that being said, guys, go ahead and smash that like button, and make sure you turn those notification bells on as well, and give me a subscribe, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online. Without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Muncher, and I see you guys on the other side. And don't forget to join the amazing opportunity. All right, y'all. Peace out, man.